Okay, Heather Ford live at, why is she she's at the dentist's office. What?
Because she's telling us about deals to take care of your pearly whites. Like deals like paying deals?
Yes, just like Groupon. It's called Dental Dealio. We linked it up to our website this morning. You click on the Seen On tab. It's going to help you not only get a deal on dental care, but also find the right dentist. This morning, what we're talking about is National Children's Dental Health Month, which is February. And what I've got here is Dr. Dave, who you were a kid who was afraid of the dentist, just like a lot of those kids out there. So now that you're actually practicing, you've been practicing for 11 years, you're helping out those parents and the families that are trying to get their kids in early and regularly, but the kids are kicking and screaming and they don't want to see the dentist. What are 3 top tips for those parents?
Well, honestly, no one really likes going to the dentist, and it doesn't have to be a horrible experience. The first thing I would say is getting them started really early, okay? That doesn't necessarily mean bringing them to the dentist when they're an infant, but get a toothbrush in their hand when they're 6 months old, 1 year old, before they even know really what they're doing, so they're comfortable having a toothbrush in their hand. Second thing is leading by example. Brush your kids' teeth, brush your teeth in front of them, do it together, make it kind of fun. And the third thing, which I've done in this office at Coastal Dental Arts, and what we're trying to promote with dentaldealio.com, is making the whole experience of dentistry a little bit more pleasant. We've got TVs in the office, we put headphones on the patients, and we've created a dental office and trying to create an environment that's not scary like people normally attribute to dentistry.
You bring in a couple props to show the kids how to brush, which is really fun for them. Could it even be things like the lighting and the pictures on the walls? I mean, down to the little details.
For sure, yeah. We don't have pictures of teeth on walls, none of that scary stuff. There's works of art on the wall, and like I said, the TVs are on. They can watch cartoons. It's just a different feel than your typical dental office.
Right. Let's talk a little bit about Rock Your Smile. We want kids to feel good about that. You want them growing up too, you know, whether they have braces or whatever it is, that they feel confident and they're not teased in school. What is Rock Your Smile?
Rock Your Smile is the American Dental Association slogan for National Kids Healthy Teeth Month for February. This year, we're actually coupling with Fresh Start Surgical Gifts. I know we're going to talk with Carmen in a few minutes, who's in the chair here. She's received a gift from Fresh Start, and you know we're trying to promote dental health and give back to the community for kids that maybe are underserved with the dental deformities and things that are out there.
It's awesome what Carmen's gone through. I know we talked about it in our last hour. Now, Shali Raul back in the studio. Raul's is 2. His little one's 2 years old, and Shali's is a newborn. So what do you recommend for people who have toddlers and, you know, they want to make sure that they, what time do you start taking care of teeth and giving them a toothbrush and things like that?
Yeah, good question, Heather. Actually, I have 2 kids. I have a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old. My 1-year-old already has a toothbrush. We can't even pry it out of her hand. She wants to she's chewing on it half the time, but she wants her toothbrush. She tries to open the medicine cabinet. So right away, getting them excited is good. And my son, you know, no issues. He's 3.5. He loves brushing his teeth. There's no issues at all. So again, if you make it fun and it's not a chore, they're actually not going to mind doing it.
Right. And not just asking them, actually seeing that they've brushed their teeth instead of saying, hey, did you brush your teeth? Yes, you're saying, all right, well, you actually did it. And maybe you do it with them, you know? That's really cool. So funny thing, Shali Raul, I might be kind of a dork, but I want to say that like top 10, I like flossing and brushing my teeth. It's like up there with a good hot shower at the end of the day. You know what I mean?
No, I agree.
Like it just
Heather,
feels
there's
good.
nothing that feels like really good than just getting up there with the floss and it feels... And I think you hit it on the nose too when you say it's being an example. You know, you start from now, and if you see mommy and daddy do it, then everybody does
That's exactly it. The kid sees you do it, they want to play. We have like 6 little toothbrushes for our little girl.
Oh, you do?
They're everywhere.
Aww.
They're upstairs, downstairs. Like, I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. 6:56. Coming up here on Fox 5, Forbes magazine names a local company as America's most promising. We will introduce you to the man behind it all. And we're checking